If you like working with the keyboard, you have already integrated many of the keyboard shortcuts as an automatic sequence in your workflow. For example, Ctrl-D, Ctrl and arrow key, e.g. to the right, plus a few times, and the Enter key, just like the command, Ctrl and Z to undo everything. But in order to create a simple circuit diagram page, you have to use the mouse again, for example, to switch to the Project Explorer and navigate to the correct position of the type project in the project in order to then create the new page there. If you would like to make this step a little easier, you can use the key combination Ctrl and Q to call up the Search and Click function. Then enter the word New and navigate downwards using the arrow keys until the entry New File is selected and press the Enter key. You can now open the New File dialog with the arrow keys right and left to select the file type to be created. Use the Tab key to jump to the project tree and only the appropriate folders will be displayed. Simply use the down, up, right and left arrow keys to navigate to the desired project section. To navigate to the desired project section and press the Enter key. Now enter the number of new pages, press Enter, and you're done. And here again in Fast Forward, Ctrl Q, New, Down, New File. Go down. Select, enter the number of pages, enter Done.